Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today, we are going to have a video that's a little bit different from most of the videos that we've done in the past. We are going to go over different ways that you can be tracked in Microsoft Teams. I'm going to cover this on two different levels. First of all, what can the host of any Teams meeting track about you? And then, what can be tracked about you behind the scenes that you may have no knowledge of that's being tracked about you? If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. So first, let's go over what the host of a Teams meeting can track about you. If I'm the host of a Microsoft Teams meeting, I can go over here to People and look at the participants of my meeting. I can click these three dots and I can download an attendance list. That attendance list is a CSV file, and this is the information that can be found on it. I can see who was in the meeting, whether they joined or left the meeting, and what time that happened. So just keep that in mind if you're in a class and you think you can just join the meeting and then leave really quickly. That information is going to get registered somewhere. The other thing that can happen in a meeting is if the host clicks this More section, and say I have more than one person in this meeting, I can go down here to Start Recording, and I can record the meeting. But the nice thing about this is if someone is recording a meeting, you will see a banner across the top of your Microsoft Teams, and that will inform you that your meeting is being recorded. So it won't be being secretly recorded. It will be being recorded with your knowledge. Of course, there's always third-party software that anyone could use to record something. But the focus of this video is just on what Teams can do to be recording a meeting. Hopefully that helps you with some of your potential privacy issues when using Microsoft Teams itself. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Next, let's cover what can be tracked about you inside of the Microsoft Teams application. So basically anything you click on will register as you having used that part of Teams, whether it's creating a meeting, having a phone call, sharing files, using apps in here. All of that is recorded somewhere. But who has access to all of this? Not everyone has access to the 365 Admin Center. And even if they do, it is not ethical for them to really be doing this kind of research just because they feel like it. Usually that kind of stuff has to have probable cause and go through IT and HR and the legal department. So don't feel too panicked about the information that is being kept about you. But let's look at a few of these. So if you are chatting within Microsoft Teams, those chats are kept, as well as how many chats you have sent, the replies you have sent, and the total number of messages that you have participated in. So there's a report that can be run on that. When it comes to making phone calls through Microsoft Teams, who you've called, and how long you've talked to that person, and an IP address, as well as the cost of that call, has a report that can be run on that. For video calls, the time spent in meetings, your screen sharing time, and who was in that meeting is the information that's recorded for video meetings. And then there's an overall report that can be run that tells your last activity inside of Microsoft Teams. So that's a quick overview of the basic user level information that is being kept in Teams. But I also want to mention that it's not just your Teams activity that can have reports run on them. It is possible to search through all of your OneDrive files, all of your SharePoint files, all of your activity on Skype, and anything that you are doing using Exchange, which is the back end for Microsoft Outlook. So anything on your calendar, anything in your email. It's possible for the admin to run a global report on all of your activity, whether it's through email, through Skype, through SharePoint, through OneDrive, and through Microsoft Teams. So just keep that in mind as you're using these applications. Hopefully that gives you a quick overview on what kind of information is being tracked inside of Microsoft applications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope you learned something new today and look forward to seeing you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.